like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands.
Hello beautiful people, it is Brooke Bromley here and welcome back to the vlog. Right now I'm starting the vlog off right away with going to Hailey's house for 3 days for her birthday party. The 15th is her birthday and we are going to hang out, and there's some other friends coming, and we are going to go kayaking tomorrow, hopefully, if it doesn't rain.
Is that what you used in the video to go underwater?
Yeah, they watched it. I love Cheez-Its. Yeah. Now we are playing Life with Hailey,
Aiden,
and Owen. So I really have never played this game before. We'll see how it goes. Hi.
Leon.
That's Leon.
That's Hailey's.
Aww.
Oh crap.
Yeah, that's mine.
Hi, Luke.
You're throwing your bikini around.
Oh, I knew it. It's gonna be bad.
I'm about to win. Okay.
Stop food fighting.
Oh my god.
You give me all you are.
Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. It is currently 10:50 in the morning and I'm at Hailey's. We are going to the little Manistee River. And there she is again. We're just stacking up on kayaks and canoes.
You guys wake me up.
I didn't get up till 9.
I don't even know why I got up.
What was that? Hailey, what you making there? Sandwich. See the sandwich and the bread that I smushed. We got done. We got done kayaking. I flipped my kayak. I hit a
log.
A log. Thank you, Hailey. Also, remember this when I got this in one of my vlogs back? Insert clip here. Chanel? Never heard of her. Yeah, it's soaked. I think it's done for. So, the $2 that it was great. Thank you.
Looking good.
Nice shirt. Where'd you get it from? JCPenney's.
Hailey, I'm sorry I stretched your shirt out.
Haley.
Need it back.
I don't know though. Who wore the shirt better? You know?
Me. It's like completely like no.
He's gonna rip it.
Grab the bottom and pull up. Yeah.
I'm trying.
You gotta get by the armpits, man.
You can't say grab the bottom.
Yeah. I said grab the bottom and like pull up by your armpits like that. No.
Sorry.
It's all sweaty.
Okay, now get him.
Okay.
Hello.
Go, dear.
Hello.
Cross or no?
See you tomorrow.
He's not crossing. Okay. We going.
Oh, this guy's nice.
Ooh. Bro, you guys is just so much better in Ludington than Ludington's.
I love movies.
It's like open. Guys, let's get the Lego movie.
I love that movie.
I
love them.
I love Lego.
I didn't know you're.
So for our movies, we got Happy Death Day, Mom and Dad, and Midnight Sun. So we got Walgreens now. I love Tide Pods.
No, I'm not buying your mask.
Oh no, she got sunburn.
Hello.
Daniel.
Well, I could get medium caramel frappe, extra caramel. And can I also get large chocolate shake? What else?
Brooke, what do you want?
Good morning. It is currently 11:30 to 12-ish, and I skipped vlogging yesterday because I did not take my medicine the night before, which made me nauseated and all kinds of stuff. So that's what happens when I forget to take my medicine. So I did not vlog yesterday. I was like sleeping all day. So yes, I did just get out of work. I'm probably gonna get changed into some cleaner clothes. I feel gross right now. Also, Hailey, I know you're watching this, so happy birthday, even though it was yesterday. But I had so much fun at your party, and I loved it so much. So after I get dressed in a minute, I have to tell you guys something that may or may not be exciting for you, but it's exciting for me, so all dressed. Alright, so what I wanted to talk about with you guys is that, well, first let me start off with this. When I started vlogging 3 videos ago, my first vlog, it was kind of just for fun. Like, well, I mean, it is still for fun, obviously, but at first it was kind of like a joke, like, haha, you know, I'm making a vlog, just check it out, I don't know, it's just for fun, it's whatever, right? Well, people really liked it, and they were telling me to do more of them, so I did. And I'm starting to love making and editing and filming vlogs. So, with that being said, I think it would be interesting if not only I had a vlog channel, but I had a main YouTube channel. Yeah, I know, I'm still an amateur at this. I still really don't know what I am doing. Last night this came to my mind and I thought this would be really interesting if I tried this. And maybe I wouldn't like it. Maybe I wouldn't like it as much as me doing my vlogs. But while I was in bed last night trying to fall asleep, I wrote a list of YouTube videos that I could be doing in the future if I do make a main channel. I'm gonna read you off a few ideas I had, and if you guys want to put some ideas in the comments down below for a YouTube video for a main channel, write them down below. So some ideas I had, I'm gonna read off real quick. So my makeup routine, a lot of people ask about it, how I do it, what I do, what products, so there you go. New clothes, like a summer haul, I would do. A Q&A. I don't know, that was just a little thought of maybe, hey, what if I did that? Would you guys like it? So let me know. Por favor. With that being said, let's go get something to eat. Me being the undecisive person that I am, I decided that I'm not that hungry actually. So I got a banana that's polka dotted for some reason. And I got water. So I'm taking my color guard flag and we are going to my grandma's for a bit to visit, and then we are going to well, I'm going with Laura, my color guard partner, because we are color guard captains and we have to make a choreography obviously before the others come. So I'm on my way to do that. I'm going to now meet up with Laura to, oh, my hair, to choreograph some songs. Have you ever seen a band room so clean before? Well, this one? No. We got done 3.5 hours straight of working. Like, we didn't mess around. It was productive and great. We got one whole song done, which is a lot to say for color guard choreography. We got Viva La Vida done, which is the other song we're doing, and we got Victorious done already, obviously. So that is 2 out of 5 songs done, and that we are pretty good on time. We're way ahead, and we're doing good. Now I'm just sitting on the side of the sidewalk of the school waiting for my mom. I hope that kid's okay. But I am not going to be vlogging tomorrow. I'm going to be editing, so.
Yeah, I'll go with a medium flavor burst with the blue goo.
Blue goo, that's
Yeah.
cool. That's probably like a blue ice, like cotton candy. That was cotton candy.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. It means a lot to me, and if you guys would just hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for me, it means a lot once again. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next. Bye!